happy 50th birthday. God bless you on your special day. Wishing you the best in everything. That God will give you more birthdays to come, more happiness and good health, and will keep you safe. I wish I'm there to celebrate with you, but probably next time, my friend. God bless you and your whole family. Enjoy your special day. I missed you. Bye-bye.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. Thank you sa tanan mga bulig. Thank you nga pagiging second mother in time sa kinahanglan ko sang laygay, like nanay. Salamat sa tanan na support na ginhatag mo sa amon ni Kazel sa business, tanan, sa guidance. So, that's it, Tita. Wala naging kami mambal. So, amo na, happy birthday, liwa, Tita. Stay safe.
Happy birthday, Tita Pax. Happy birthday. We miss you.
Hey, Pops. Happy birthday. Wish me could be there, but, mag-corona na lang ako dito sa bahay. Happy birthday. Enjoy. And be safe. Thank you.
Hello, Pax. Happy 50th birthday. Naku, half a century ka na. Remember, 50, kailangan mo ng magpa-colonoscopy, shingle shots, dapat. Sige. I hope you the best. Wish you more years of happy, healthy life. Sayang di kami makakanto din na tani may big party kita kay 50th birthday. And di bali sunod may 1 year ka pa para mag-celebrate. Maybe anytime between this year until your 51st, kita ka mag-celebrate. Might be there sa Canada or sa Philippines. Okay. Sige. Enjoy na lang ka mo and happy birthday! Happy 50th!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
You sing, Choy Choy!
Happy birthday to me, Nay! Happy birthday to you!
Hi, Marilyn! Happy 50th birthday, my friend! Tani ara na kami dira sa Alberta, celebrating your birthday, your 50th birthday, your golden years. But despite this pandemic, celebration will still go on. So, all my wishes for you are always good health, another half the century of life, and a happy family life, and you are surrounded with friends, good friends that loves you. So I love you too, my friends. So God bless. Bye. Happy birthday again. See you soon in 2 years.
Hello mi, happy birthday ba? Tani kun wala lang ni subong ang pandemic, subong ulop danay na naman kita ba sa imo nga special day. Galing kay ti wala kita sang mahimo kay amo ni subong ang sitwasyon sang kalibutan. We have to prioritize our safety. Sa bagay damo pa man nga chance nga magaabot nga magkilita ay kag mag-ulop danay kita. Again, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless. Bye.
Happy birthday, Tita Pax! We miss you! I love you too!
Happy birthday, Tita Pax. Thank you sa tanan ng bulig mo. Along ka mo da. See you next year. We love you.
Happy birthday, ta. Thank you. Gusto nang kagalong ka mo da.
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Pax. Thank you for everything. We miss you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Pax. Thank you. Gibuligan mo sa tanan. Along ka mo sa COVID-19. Happy birthday, Tita Pax. Thank you. I miss you. I love you.
Happiest 50th birthday, Tita Pax. Enjoy your day. God bless you. I miss you.
Hi Tita Pax, halong gid kamo da tanay sa COVID-19 and tanay hindi kamo magpabaya sa amon kay permay lang kami gapasaway sa inyo and thank you gid sa tanan nga bulid nyo sa amon kag sa suporta sa amon and tanay hindi lang kalang ma-high blood and tanay hindi lang kamo magkasakit. I miss you and I love you. Happy birthday.
Hi Tapax, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. Enjoy your day. God bless you. Stay safe. I miss you. See you next year.
Hi Tita Pax, salong gid kamo da permay and thank you gid sa suporta sa mon kag tanay hindi kamo mahalatnan sa COVID-19 da I miss you and I love you.
Happy birthday Tita Pax. Thank you for helping us. Even though we are hard, even though you nasa parts, you are still in my heart. Happy birthday. I love you. Thank you. Ang balik ka pa sa Nutella.
Hi, me. Happy 50th lang da. Tani ara na kami da subong ba. Sige lang, bakasi next time. Happy birthday lang sa imo. God bless you. Ang wish ko lang sa imo is to stay healthy and happy. And God bless you and your family. I love you. Sarangye.
Hi, Gay. Happy birthday. God bless you always. We're not getting younger anymore. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Love you and miss you.
Eileen, happy birthday. Wish you more birthdays to come. God bless.
Tita, happy birthday. Enjoy your day and God bless.
Hi Marilyn, happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come. God bless.
Marilyn, happy birthday. I love you and God bless you.
Hi, Manang Marilyn. Happy birthday. Love and prayer.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Greeting from all of us from Davao.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Pax! Oh, alam mo na.
Happy birthday, Pax! Happy birthday. I love you and I miss you. See you soon.
Happy birthday, Tapax.
Happy birthday, Pax.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Tita
Pax.
May you
Happy
have
birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
More
Happy
more
birthday.
blessing. God bless you always.
Good health.
Good
I
health.
wish you good health.
Halong palagi.
All
Love you.
your family.
Hi.
Okay. Hi, Tapax. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Tapax.
Happy birthday, ta. Halong na permita. See you soon. Di, Pasko ako na galaya.
Day.
Happy birthday, Tapax. Stay safe. We miss you.
Happy birthday, Tita Pax. May God continue to shower you with all the blessings. Take good care of yourself. And thank you for everything. I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy your day.
Hi, Tita. Happy birthday. God bless you and more birthdays to come. Stay safe always.
Happy birthday, Mads.
Happy birthday.
Continue to be a blessing to everyone. Happy birthday.
Okay. Hi, Mi! Happy birthday agi. Hopefully, sadya man ang birthday mo. Sorry kung hindi kita ka get together. I was looking forward nga magkilit-anay naman tani kita balaliwat how nga magparty na naman kita day Shirley. So, but then tungod sa COVID, wala na dayon. So, anyway, sana kita-nay kita next year or in 2 years. We'll get together ka, mag-party na naman. So, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day with Robbie and the kids. And sana magkita-kita-kits tayo next year or in 2 years. Okay? So, have a happy birthday. Love you and I missed you. Bye-bye. Mwah, mwah.
Happy birthday, Sisi.
May the Lord bless you more with the happy, healthy years, and God bless. See you soon. I love you.
Happy birthday, Tita Pax!
Hello Marilyn, ngayong gabi, happy birthday, and 50 ka na. Regards lang ko sa imo family me, and then hopefully makita na kita when sa reunion. Okay, kamusta kay Rabi sa mga bata? Happy birthday again. Bye-bye.
Hi Ta! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Yo, happy birthday! Wishing you a beautiful day with good health and happiness forever. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy 50th birthday! We love you, Ta!
Hi Pax, wish you all the best of your 50th birthday, and stay safe. God bless, and thanks very much for everything.
Happy birthday ta. Salamat kita sa mga bata tayong buli mo sa Ratangga. Happy 50th birthday ta. Salamat kita. Ito na ta.
Pax, happy birthday. Along ikaw mo natunan. Stay safe lang. Happy birthday. Also for the birthday. Cheers!
Happy birthday ta.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Tita Nina!
Stay safe and healthy! We
Love you!
Ling-ling nga to.
But I still want that, your savage love. Your savage love, love. Your savage love, love. You could use me. Sa iyong tingin pa lang ako ay natunaw na. Mga titig mo sa akin nakabighani na. Di ko mapihil ang aking nadarama. My chinita girl, my chinita girl. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay kung habang buhay na ito. Ikaw ang binibining na ninanais ko. Binibining marikit na dalangin ko. Ikaw ang nagbigay ng kulay sa aking mundo. Sana ay pang habang buhay na ito. O binibining.
When I feel so sad and lonely, when my life seems pale and blue, how I wish you're here beside me, here to save my whole life through. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come, my darling, and embrace me. This is what you're gonna do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me real time. Kiss me, hold me, hug me, darling, with all your might.
Girls, girls, out!
Happy birthday. This song is for you. Stay safe.
She gives away what? And packages. Wow, is that what you know of your Tita Pax? What else? What else? What else, Asher? How about you? Stay safe. And stay safe, yeah. Okay, how about you, Mia? Okay. Mia, what can you say about your Tita Pax?
General.
Why? Is it that you said that Tita Pax is generous?
She
what? She gives what?
Clothes.
Clothes? What else aside from clothes?
She brings us to vacation.
Wow, she brings you to vacation, particularly where? Sea Garden and Guimaras. Wow. And are you looking forward for another vacation with Tita Pax? Where is it, Mia?
Boracay.
Oh, really? Okay. How about Manong Tonton? Come here, Manong Ton. Come here. Manong Ton, okay, you don't have to sit down. I know you're taller now than Mommy, Tita Pax. Tonton is taller than Mommy. Okay. Every time, what can you say about your Tita Pax? Can you please describe your Tita Pax? Come on, speak up. You're on video. Face the camera, stand straight. Okay, see? Tonton is taller now than Mommy. Okay, come on, please come. What? A giver. Why is it that you consider Tita Pax as a giver? And she always brings packages in. Over.
Tita Pax.
Louder.
Birthday, Tita Pax. God bless. Tita Pax, happy birthday. Thank you for everything. God bless you.
And what else?
Happy 50th birthday, Tita Pax. God bless you and we wish you all the best.
Daddy, di ka ba? Malbakbak mo. May ikaw mo. Ikaw na grito na. Dati ikaw lang isa ako. Wala na tika ba? Okay.
pulse beat like a vegetable.
Happy na birthday! Caroline, ha? One more time! Happy birthday to you.